Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh from the Neurofeedback Expert Program, back to talk about our proven pricing model. Okay, so I've already told you that neurofeedback is the latest neuroscience meets high-tech technology. So what does that mean? That means that unfortunately right now, this service costs. This is the highest level of care that a person can get anywhere in their community. And I mean that, and I believe that. So we need to be able to charge what it's worth. So as a neurofeedback practitioner, we're getting paid what we should be. This is very important for you. But in my office, we provide huge value for the price that we charge. So if you remember back a few videos when I said I'm trying to attract value purchasers, what that means is people who are willing to pay for what is important to them. And really what we charge is market value. It's high, but it's not too high. And it actually costs less than a session for psychotherapy. And that's another trigger. That's another mental trigger. So you can use that one. It's called comparison. If you look at the psychologists in your community, you'll see that they're charging $150 for a talk therapy session. Our sessions cost a little less than that right now, but the value is huge. And when I help people see that, then it's a no-brainer, pun intended, for them to sign up for neurofeedback care, especially when they understand the outcomes that they can receive, and especially as a modality that provides very little work for them. Their brain does the work, and it's a lot of work, but their mind and their body doesn't have to do the work. Very important distinction, because it's a more passive treatment that is so effective. So in this proven pricing model, we have a tiered model. So that means that patients have a very specific recommendation based upon their map of what program will help them get better faster. But there's also control in that. They're able to choose a program lower if their resources, their time, their energy, and their money don't permit. And at the same time, there's flexibility in the programs too. So it feels great to the patient because they're not being forced into anything, but they understand the best level recommendation that I can make. So that's very important in the proven pricing model for neurofeedback experts. So, and you can see we use the psychological triggers in there also, and we're providing huge value. So if you join us in the Neurofeedback Expert Program, we provide that pricing model for you and the rationale behind it. So once you understand it, you're happy to charge what you need to, and you know how to give the value for it.